Hi, Nick here at Sherwood Dodge. I'm going to show you a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in black. It's got all your blacked out accents. You got your blacked out tow hooks there as well. That in the middle there is for your advanced safety braking. It will actually stop for you. That is an awesome feature, especially during our winter times. This does have the Quadra-Track 2 drive system. Full-time 4x4. You don't need to be pressing buttons or anything like that. It does it automatically for you and seamless. Let's go check out the inside. All right, in this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Instinct Gray, we got your 8.4 touchscreen. Does have navigation. You got your heated seats, heated steering wheel. You got a backup camera there as well. You got your stop and start system here. Does have the Pro Tech safety group there. So you got your lane departure keep. You got your blind spot monitors. We got Bluetooth in here as well. Again, leather with suede. Tons of room in the back. This will have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. For more information and pricing, comment below or give me a call at 780-907-9334. Thanks. Have a great day.